Hi, I'm Stephen from OneClick LCA, and today I will talk about the private classification system. The majority of calculation tools which are using, at least on the building side, have some kind of mandatory classification system. The tool you see here on my screen for the European levels framework has building parts as the mandatory system. However, there are of course also tools which do not have such a system, and in those cases you could use your own classification. We see here next to the building part, we have a company classification, and I just have some random options there, but you can of course assign or develop your own classification system. How you can do this is quite straightforward. We have to navigate to our company account, and in our company account, when we open this, we navigate to the data management tab. Under data management tab, we have private classifications. We click on the edit button there, and here we have our existing classification, which I can of course edit and change. However, if you're new to private classifications, there will be a file which you can download, you can populate and upload. And once you upload it, you'll be able to select the private classifications just as I can here.